All right, we are going to be looking at the concept of reinforced cement concrete beam. All right, but I will first explain cement concrete for us before we now look at reinforced cement concrete. Is that clear? Because cement concrete beam is different from reinforced cement concrete beam. Is that clear? All right, now this is the concept of cement concrete. Now you need to note that cement concrete is very good at compression but extremely weak in what? In tension. It therefore means that if we have any beam that is made up of just cement concrete only, such beam will be good in what? Will be extremely good in compression but weak in what? In tension. And you know, if any beam is weak in tension, if any beam is weak in tension, it can lead to what? It can lead to failure of such beam. It can lead to cracking of such beam. Is that clear? All right, so the above diagram is a simple supported cement concrete beam. Is that clear? All right, it's a simple supported cement concrete beam, and when it is loaded by this load W, it bends in this manner. And you are going to observe that the bottom part of this beam undergoes some amount of elongation that is greater than that of the top part. Do you understand? What I mean in essence is the bottom part bend more than the what? Than the top part. Is that clear? So it therefore means that the top part of this cement concrete beam undergoes what? Compressive stresses, while the bottom part undergo what? Tensile stresses. So all our tensile stresses that is developed in this beam will be properly taken care of, because we know that cement concrete is extremely good in what? Compressive stress. But all our tensile stresses developed in this boom, in this kind of beam, will lead to what? Failure and cracking of what? Of the beam. In order for us to prevent the failure and the cracking of this beam, that is why we need to reinforce this beam. Do you understand? That's why we need to reinforce this beam in order to what? Eradicate the failure and the cracking. Is that clear? All right, now you are now seeing another beam here. It is also a simple supported but what? Reinforced. Do you understand? This one is reinforced. It is reinforced with this reinforcing material that is here, right? All right, now I need you to take note that when we say cement concrete, the cement concrete, the major component of cement concrete. All right, so I need you to know that the major component of our RCC, that is reinforced cement concrete, is number one, we have cement, and number two, we have water, number three, we have fine aggregate, which is sand, number four, we have the coarse aggregate, which could be gravel or stone. Do you understand? And number five, we have the steel. Now, let me not still use the word steel now. Before I use the word steel, I want to say reinforced material, that is reinforcing material, although we know it is steel, so you can say steel reinforcing material. Exactly. All right, now, but before we reinforce this before we can reinforce this beam that you are seeing here, the reinforcing material must possess some characteristic, and this characteristic must be in alignment with must be in alignment with our concrete. Is that clear? Now, so what are the characteristics of reinforcing cement concrete? What are the characteristics? Number one, I need you to write all of these points down. These are the major questions they are going to ask you. Number one, one of the characteristics is it must possess high tensile stress, because this reinforcing material must take care of what? All the tensile stresses developed in the beam. So it must possess high tensile stress, it must have high modulus of elasticity, it must be cheap and what? And it must be cheap and readily available. Do you understand? And number four, it must have the same temperature of expansion and contraction as that of what? As that of concrete, so as to prevent thermal stresses to develop in the beam. So these are the characteristics or that the reinforcing material must possess before it is being used. And there is one material that possess this characteristic. It is nothing but what? Steel. So it is nothing but what? Steel. So the major reinforcing material that is used to reinforce our cement concrete is nothing but what? Steel bar. Is that clear? Why? Because it possesses almost the same characteristic with what? With the concrete. I hope this point is well explained. So we have discussed about the characteristic of the reinforcing material. We have discussed about the concept of cement concrete, and then we have also discussed about the concept of reinforced cement concrete himself. Now, where is this RCC is being used? Number one, it is majorly used in beam. You can use it in beam. You can use it in slab. We can use it in staircase. We can use it in what? In foundation, and we can also use it in what? In columns. So these are the areas that we can use RCC beam. So I hope this point is well structured and well explained. You can comment that in the comment section. And if you have any question, you can drop that in the comment section. We are going to respond to you quickly. Is that clear? And don't forget that we have a well structured written material for you on this reinforced cement concrete. For you to get this material sent across to you, you can either send us a direct message on our WhatsApp, or you send us a direct message by our email. Everything you need is on our description. The email address and the link to our WhatsApp is on our description. You can just send us a message. And if peradventure today is your first time of coming across our video, do well to give this video a thumbs up, smash on the notification bell so that anytime we upload more video like this, you'll be the first to be notified. And do well to share this content with your friends who might be in need of it. Help us to go far. Do you understand? Thank you. Stay tuned for more.